Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. In today's video we'll be working on a Chevy Cruze, guys, and we'll show you where to find the relay, guys, the main ignition relay. If you have problems with your car not starting or anything like that, guys, check that relay, main ignition relay. Now, we guys have more than 200 videos on this car and every vehicle we get at the shop, because our goal, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. All we need, guys, in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video and drop a comment below. Let us know if the video was helpful or if you have any recommendations. Your feedback, guys, is highly appreciated. We have a 2015 model, guys. But it should work on the whole generation from 2008 all the way until 2016. So we need to go ahead and open the hood. That's the first step. Support it. Okay, perfect. Now it doesn't matter which engine you have, guys, 1.4, 1.8, 1.6 or the diesel. That relay will be under this cover right here. And you guys have 4 or 5 fuses for the ignition actually, so always check those. We have the video on the channel. So this cover, guys, it has 1, 2, 3 clips that we need to push towards each other, pull up, okay, and it will come out. Now this is guys the fuse box and the relay box here. So with the cover out of the way, now there are 2 relays that we need to check. Stay with us. We'll start with the first one and then we'll get to the second one. One is ignition relay 87 and one is ignition 15. That's what we will be working on, guys, okay, right now. So the relay that we're looking at now, guys, okay, it's relay number 7. Okay, it's ignition 87 main relay. So looking at the box, guys, this way, okay, it will be this guy right here. This is the relay main ignition 87 relay. So you grab it, pull it up, this is it right here. Now we will have, guys, that relay and the replacement relay and the part numbers, okay, listed in the description of the video below, guys, for your convenience. So please, guys, check it out. Also, we will have a video on the channel that will explain how to test those, because those could be expensive, guys. There is no need to waste your money unless you're sure that you have a bad relay. So make sure you check out the video. We're uploading quite a few videos and we'll have this one coming very soon, how to test the relay, so you can check out for sure. When you're ready, guys, all you have to do, grab the new one, okay, and just push it in. The cool thing about those, they go only one way, so you cannot get that thing confused. So you guys have also another relay. This is not the only relay for the ignition, guys. You have one more, okay, okay, this one, and now the one next to it, okay, this is relay number 15, guys. This is ignition 15. So check this one as well, guys, okay, the same way you grab them and you pull them out. Make sure you replace them with the same exact part number, guys, okay, all that we'll have listed in the description of the video below. And all we have to do, just push that one in, okay, just like that. Now if you need help with the mechanical videos, guys, we'll be taking the engines apart, transmissions, all that will be, guys, on our main channel, Auto Repair, guys. Please check it out. Quite a few videos will be made there. We'll be taking the interior apart, door panels, window regulators, all that. And if you have any specific requests, just drop a comment. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We, guys, have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.